Hi, welcome to Musa's YouTube channel. Hi, do you know that the most expensive poultry in the world is a chicken called Ayam Cemani? By the way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so as you don't miss any important update. This breed originated from Indonesia, from an island of Java. Ayam simply means chicken in Indonesian, and Cemani means thoroughly black in Javanese. So, why are these so valuable and pricey chickens? Just couple up and I take you through. Number 1, appearance and reality. The captivating all-black appearance of the Ayam is what first grabs your attention. In a number of cultures, black is associated with luxury, power, and mystery. Everything about this breed is black, from feathers, feet, beaks, tongue, cobs and wattles, bones, meat, and even their internal organs are all black, apart from their blood, which is, of course, red in color. The bird's black color occurs as a result of excess pigmentation of the tissues caused by a genetic condition known as fibromelanosis. Hence, they have a dominant gene that makes them all black. Number 2, rarity and limited breeding stock. Ayam Cemanis are extremely rare birds. Their rarity is a key factor in their high price. Their unique genetic trait and controlled breeding make them rare and highly sought after, especially in Asia and other countries where they are highly sought for. Therefore, owning an Ayam makes it a mark of exclusivity and sophistication. Number 3, the high price tag. The astronomical price tag of Ayam Cemanis further reinforce their connection to royalty. A pair of pure breeds can cost anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 with testimonies from a couple of breeders who have reported to have sold a rooster for close to $10,000, especially roosters with desirable traits. The prices, however, differ depending from the region one is in and most especially who your target client is. This price far surpasses the cost of any other commercially available chicken breed worldwide. Number 4 is the cultural significance. In some countries, especially in Asia, Ayam Cemanis are believed to possess mystical properties. They are associated with powerful magic, good luck, and protection. And they are sometimes used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. Owning an Ayam Cemani is therefore seen as a symbol of status and fortune, often associated with royalty and the elite. Number 5 is the historical use. Ayam Cemanis have been admired and cherished by the wealthy individuals and nobility throughout history. Their presence in luxurious settings is considered a mark of wealth and prestige. Number 5 is a symbolic representation. In art and symbolism, the Ayam Cemani represents power and mystery. Now, you know why Ayam Cemanis are considered as the Lamborghinis or black diamond of the poultry world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more astonishing content. God bless you.